Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to set up column in Google Docs. Friends, if you want to arrange text in a multi-column layout similar to newspaper or magazine, then you simply need to add column to your Google Docs document. So to add column, you simply need to click on format. Now here you need to click on columns and here you will have option of 2 columns in a page or 3 columns in a page, or you can go for more options. I go with 3 columns on the page. Now after adding column, if I paste a text, then it will automatically adjust in 3 columns and it will be continuous like newspaper. So friends, like this you can very easily use columns in your Google Docs document. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.